Welcome back to ShakeThat! Today we start our California series, 4 drinks for real Golden State roots and vibes. From Sausalito's rock and roll sunrise to creamy Napa comfort, from sparkling San Diego brunch to a neon green LA icon. Let's pour the stories. And we start from the early 1970s, Tequila Sunrise. All you need just silver tequila, orange juice, grenadine, ice cubes, and the orange wheel. Born in 1973 at the Trident in Sausalito, this version exploded after the Rolling Stones tried it at the tour kick-off party. The band kept ordering it across America, and soon the drink became phenomenal. I'm using Jose Cuervo today. A nod to the era they helped spread the recipe everywhere. How to make? Fill a highball with ice. Pour 2 ounces of tequila. Add orange juice, not to the top. Stir gently. Put the orange wheel diagonally. Then we need 1/3 ounce of grenadine syrup, so it sinks for a sunrise effect. Add more ice cubes and a little orange juice. A California morning in the glass, just brighter, louder, and slightly more dangerous. For the very first time, our next cocktail has been mentioned by Jerry Thomas in San Francisco at his book Bartender's Guide How to Mix Drinks, published in 1862. California Milk Punch. For the cocktail, you need bourbon, heavy cream, milk, castor sugar, vanilla extract, maple syrup, nutmeg, a cinnamon stick, and different types of ice. Milk punch is old school, but the California take leans into local comfort, cream, vanilla, and hint of maple, and the bourbon backbone. Imagine Napa at golden hour, slowly and silky. How to make? Into a blender, add 2 ounces of bourbon, 1 ounce of heavy cream, 2 of milk, a 1/2 ounce of castor sugar, 1/3 ounce of maple syrup, to dance. And only 3 dashes of vanilla extract. Add a little ice and blend until smooth and frothy. Fill a rock glass with the crushed ice. Strain our mix into the rock glass. Add a little more crushed ice, grate nutmeg, and add a cinnamon stick. Looks like a dessert, drink like a hug, and hits like a grown-up. Next, the cocktail reminds you California 75 road view leading through Coronado Island, the real California feel. So, California 75. You'll need dry vermouth, lemon juice, simple syrup, California is crucial, sparkling wine, lemon zest, and ice cubes. This is our San Diego's spin on a bubbly classic. Swap regular champagne for California sparkling and let vermouth take the lead. brunch on a hillside, city views included. How to make: put ice cubes into a flute glass to chill, in a shaker with ice, pour 2 ounces of dry vermouth, 1 ounce of lemon juice, and the same portion of simple syrup. And you know what to do. Strain it into a chilled flute. Top up with the California sparkling wine. Express and drop lemon zest. Bright, zesty, and lively, like catching the skyline on a clear day. And now the emerald of our cocktail jam collection, Appletini. You'll need green apple liqueur, dry vermouth, gin, ice, and apple pages. Los Angeles in 1996, West Hollywood vibes. The Appletini went from bar experiment to pop culture star overnight. Originally known as Adam Apple Martini, because the guy who created it named Adam. It was born at Lola's restaurant and became a poster child of the era. How to make: fill the cocktail glass with the ice to chill. Pour in a mixing glass 1.5 of green apple liqueur, 1 ounce of dry vermouth, and 1/2 ounce of gin. Fill with ice and stir until chilled. Strain into chilled cocktail glass. Garnish with 3 apple wedges. It's crisp, green, and little freshy. A red carpet of cocktails. That's part 1 of our California journey. Sausalito Sunrise, Napa's creamy comfort, a sparkling Coronado vibe, and LA's electric green icon. Tell me which one you order first and where in California you'd sip it. Like, subscribe, and keep shaking things up. Part 2 is coming next.